I am a rock star! Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mariel. Welcome back to the Creativity Bucket List. The next item to be checked off the bucket list is doing a guitar riff. So what exactly is a riff? So a riff is a short, repeated, memorable musical phrase which focuses much of the energy and excitement of a rock song. So the person who automatically came to my mind was John Mayer. He's an amazing lyricist and amazing singer, but he's also a great guitar player. So I've been toying with the idea of doing Neon. Because that's one of his most iconic songs. It has one of the most memorable guitar riffs that I've seen, but I was also impressed with his version of I Don't Need No Doctor. And I know it's not an original John Mayer song, but yeah, his rendition was. I think I'm gonna do I Don't Need No Doctor by Ray Charles, rendition by John Mayer. So just to establish a baseline, I do know some chords, maybe 5 chords tops, and a little bit of plucking. Although it's not as masterful and it's not like I can't do that yet. Baka mahuli ako. Kapit-bahay ko, nahiya ako. So, let's start.
So you're gonna have this first fret of G.
What? It says, I'm guessing you would use the E minor pentatonic scale for the solo. I don't even know what that means. 30 minutes in, and I haven't really known anything other than that part. What I'm beginning to understand is that I can't really study the song automatically because I have to establish the basics of doing a guitar riff. So, basics. Let's try bending first. So the next is slide. So most of the technique that I'll be using for this specific song is hammer-ons and pull-offs. Is that clear? Well, it's not clear. Sino kausap ko? If a hammer-on is like this, a pull-off is like this. Anyway, we've established the basics, so let's start doing it, I guess. Okay, so I'm gonna try out this tutorial by J Thompson 92. Shout out. Let's see if it's gonna work. It's so bakit hindi ko masundan na? What the fuck? This is hard. I didn't think this through. I feel like I haven't improved in an hour. I feel like I'm going backwards. Okay, again. This is the best I could do so far. So hopefully I'm gonna get better in the next few days when I get more practice done. So yeah. See you. get myself into. Okay, let's try it for a second. You know, I keep complaining like my hands hurt, it's too hard, and the piece is too fast, I can't keep up with it. And then I realized that's the point of it being a fucking challenge, right? So you should stop being such a whiny baby about it and just fuck do it. Do it. Anong ginawa mo?
And an A. And then a B. And an It's a standard.
Intro 12. Intro. Ugh. Okay. I feel like when I'm trying to do this, I'm forgetting to breathe. Just do this. Okay, again. Okay, we'll be doing this again tomorrow. I'm over this. Okay, so yesterday I was really frustrated because I didn't feel like I was improving when it comes to doing a guitar riff and doing this piece, and I was getting annoyed with myself. But then I looked at my footage from the first day and I realized it's just been 5 days so far and I have improved so much in less than a week. So I'm ready to do this. I really want to be able to learn this skill in a span of 1 week. So today is day 6. So this is the final 2 days I'm committing to it. So tomorrow I'll be able to know how to do a guitar riff. Yeah. So let's practice. I know I said that I'd be practicing all night, but I'm really happy with my session for today and hopefully I'll be able to finish learning how to do a guitar riff by tomorrow. I'm so excited even if I cut my finger while doing this. Hopefully tomorrow will be the last day and I'll be able to show you guys what I've been working on for the past week. Yeah, so see you tomorrow. Good night. Bye. Okay, so you're gonna see what Okay, so I've been doing this for the past 7 days, and let's see if I was able to learn how to do a guitar riff in a week's time. Did I do it? I think I did it. Yes, I'm a rock star. So if you want to try it out for yourself, I've linked the tutorials down below. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and click the links and the buttons and whatever. So that's it, you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.